The 2007 CX-7. The CX-7 combines sporty good looks, car-like handling, and SUV utility, plus a powerful fuel-efficient engine. Never settle when you can have it all, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, automatic transmission, cruise control, remote power door locks, passenger airbag, power windows, tachometer, speed proportional power steering, heads-up display, rear wiper, tilt steering wheel, remote window operation, privacy glass, rear spoiler. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.